Hey, welcome to this short introductory video regarding the 4-day workshop we are conducting on digital marketing in your city, Bangalore, the coming month, August 2022. This is going to be a 4-day workshop being conducted live and in person. This program will be conducted on August 20th, 21st, 27th and 28th. That is over 2 weekends, Saturday, Sunday and again the next Saturday, Sunday. So why should you consider learning digital marketing? The reason is we have seen in the last 2.5 years how the pandemic has changed the way we work, we earn and we live. In fact, the world has changed forever. It will never be the same the way it was prior to 2020. And today we know that everything and everyone is online. We also see how social media websites are ruling the world. Websites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram and Pinterest, they have become a part and parcel of every one of our lives. Isn't that true? And this is why today everyone is looking to create additional income opportunities. How do you do that? In order to create additional income streams, you need to acquire in-demand skills. And digital marketing is a highly sought after skill. In fact, there are 3 main ways through which people today earn by learning digital marketing. What are they? Number 1, you can promote your own products and services, or you can become an affiliate, sell products of national and international repute. You can also be a freelancer offering your services, working for clients globally. The preference of the majority of the people who work in the digital marketing industry today is to actually focus on affiliate marketing and also freelance projects. But you know what? There is an even better opportunity. I am sure you are aware that the fast growing online income opportunity today is by running YouTube channels. You would have noticed hundreds and hundreds of people doing that by creating YouTube channels and ensuring ads appear on the channels. These guys are minting money day in and day out. Of course, that will also need an exposure to various skills related to digital marketing. So who am I? My name is Bhaskar Karampudi. I have a total of about 28 years of experience in the industry. The last 14 years have been exclusively related to digital marketing and internet related fields. I currently possess 16 globally recognized certifications related to digital marketing from Google as well as from Microsoft. Google offers about 10 certifications, Microsoft Bing offers about 3 certifications, YouTube offers about 2 certifications and Facebook has almost 3 different certifications. I am currently certified on all of them. You can see this on my LinkedIn profile also. Let me quickly take you to my LinkedIn profile. See here. This is my LinkedIn profile and you would see my licenses and certifications. You can see YouTube Music certification, then YouTube Music Rights Management certification, Campaign Manager 360, Creative certification, Display and Video certification, Google Apps certification, Display, Search, Video, Analytics qualification, Microsoft Advertising Native and Display, Search certification, Shopping certification, Mobile Experience certification from Google and also Search Ads 360 certification from Google. And over the last 7 to 8 years, I have been conducting workshops across the country on different topics. In addition to digital marketing, I have been conducting on content writing, online opportunities, freelancing, internet entrepreneurship, etc. And I have already done these programs at different cities, including major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad. And you can see on the screen couple of the photos from those workshops that I have conducted already in all the cities across the country. Of course, after the lockdown started and after the pandemic happened, the last 2 years I have been conducting these workshops online. Now, for the first time, we are coming to the offline world and we are visiting your city, Bangalore, this August 2022. This is an opportunity for you to jumpstart and create additional income opportunities for yourself and for your family. How do you do that? By learning digital marketing. Let me explain. who can attend this 4-day workshop on digital marketing? Anyone, irrespective of your age, qualification or experience, employees, business owners, housewife, retired people, self-employed, educators, teachers, trainers, everyone irrespective of your age, qualification or experience can attend and learn digital marketing. What are the program dates? As I said, this is going to be a 4-day workshop. It is a 4-day workshop being conducted in Bangalore, in your city, in this August. And the dates of the program are mentioned on the screen. You can see that this program is being conducted as a 4-day workshop. Day 1 is on Saturday, that is 20th August. Day 2 is Sunday, 21st August. Day 3 is again Saturday, 27th August. And day 4 is Sunday, 28th August. 2 weekends, Saturday, Sunday, and again Saturday, Sunday. If you can dedicate these 4 days, you will be able to master every concept and skill related to digital marketing. What will you learn in these 4 days? On day 1, you will learn essentials of digital marketing, website planning and creation, business website creation along with landing pages, e-commerce website along with payment gateway integration. On day 2, you will understand search engine marketing and search advertising, YouTube and video advertising, social media marketing including Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing. On day 3, you will actually learn search engine optimization, display advertising, e-commerce along with shopping advertising, and of course mobile advertising. On the last day of the program, that is on day 4, we will discuss social media marketing including LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest and Quora advertising. And of course we will also learn Google Analytics. In fact, on day 4, on the morning of day 4, there is an optional module. In that optional module, you will learn how to create additional income opportunities through affiliate marketing and also freelance projects. These two are included in the optional module which is scheduled to be conducted on the morning of the 4th day. So if you decide to opt for that, then you can attend that also. So 3.5 days is common for all participants. That half day on 4th day morning is an optional module. Now what is the support after the program? Once the program is completed, we provide support in 2 modes. Number 1, we provide support through email. You can get back to us on email with all your queries, doubts. We will be more than happy to respond, and we respond within 24 to 48 hours. We also give you access to the community support, which means we have an online discussion forum wherein you will be able to interact with other participants like you who have already attended the same program with us over the last 8 to 10 years. And there's a community interaction, there's a discussion forum, peer-to-peer learning happens. Isn't that wonderful? In addition to the email support, in addition to the access to the discussion forum, we also conduct every month live online sessions. In these sessions, I sometimes revise some of the difficult concepts and topics. We also do live demonstrations. You will see on the screen practical application of whatever we discuss in the 4-day workshop. In addition, there is also going to be a Q&A session in every month. Once you enroll for the program, we are also going to give you access to self-paced video courses online. We have our own course portal where all these courses are available, a bundle of courses related to digital marketing, and they are together worth 98,999. You will get access to this bundle of courses worth 98,999 the moment you pay the fee. It means today if you enroll and complete the payment of the fee, you will immediately be able to access these courses. Within 24 hours, my team will get back to you on the email. They'll send you an email with step-by-step instructions as to how to access this bundle of courses online. You can start your learning within the next 24 hours. You don't have to wait until 20th August for the program to start. My recommendation is enroll today. Get access to these courses. You can start your learning journey, and by the time we meet on 20th August, you will be ready to absorb and see how those concepts can be practically applied in the field of digital marketing. Isn't that wonderful? And these online courses are all self-paced, which means you can watch them at your own leisure from anywhere. You can access them through the desktop, you can access them through the tablet, access them through the mobile as well. And you'll have unlimited access for the next 6 months. As many times as you want, you can rewind, fast forward, you can pause, you can watch. Many people have already attended our digital marketing 4-day workshop, online and offline. They have already been able to achieve success. I am showing you on the screen. I am sharing with you some of the success stories of my previous participants. Observe, this guy says, "Hello G, I already got 6 projects. 3 of them completed with $262 and other 3 with $804. $1,000 earned within a short period of 1 week time." And there are more success stories. This guy says, a zillion thanks to you, sir, for introducing me to online earnings. I asked him, how much have you earned till date? And he says, sir, I made around 8 lakh rupees. Wow, look at that. 8 lakh rupees earned by learning digital marketing. And this guy has been able to do that within just about 6 months time. Yet another success story. All these are success stories. Even during the lockdown, participants who attended digital marketing with us have been able to work on freelance projects and substantiate their family's income. Observe on the screen. This guy says, so thanks for your guidance. Even during corona period also, while people are home quarantined, I am happily working from home and earning without any loss. Actually, I made around $250 more than earlier, as I am spending more time now. Wow. That is the beauty of learning online related, internet related skills. So what is the summary? Let me show you, explain to you the summary of what you will get once you enroll and become a participant of this program. As I already explained, you will get access to the online video courses. You will get access to the 4-day live in-person training. I will be conducting the 4-day workshop. You will also get access to the discussion forum. You will receive support on the email up to the 6 months after the program is completed. You will also have access to the monthly online revision sessions every month for the next 6 months. And the biggest opportunity is, once you attend this 4-day workshop, you can re-attend the same program with us whenever we conduct it in your city or any other city. You are welcome to come and re-attend absolutely free. Isn't that wonderful? Of course, you just have to pay the food bills when you come and attend the next time, but there's no program fee. For lifetime, I'm saying, as long as I am alive, you're alive, come and re-attend the program for free. Many of our previous participants have been doing that year after year after year. Whenever we conduct the workshop, they come and re-attend, because every year the contents get upgraded. This year when you come, I'm sure you'll meet some of my previous participants who are re-attending this year. So what are the next steps? 3 steps in fact. Number 1, enroll in the program. Complete the payment through the link shared with you. If you not received the link, please get back to us on the mobile numbers I'll display on the screen in the next 2 minutes time. Second step, once you complete enrolling in the program, we will reach out to you through the email. We'll give you access to the entire online course bundle. You can start your learning as early as the next 24 hours. Number 3, we'll meet live. Attend the live 4-day workshop. Get ready for a practical in-person learning August 20th, 21st, 27th and 28th. Make a decision now. This will be one of the best investments of your life, because education, learning is something that will help you overcome impact of anything, even the impacts of pandemic, as people have observed in the last 2.5 years. I look forward to meeting you live on the 20th August in Bangalore, in your city. Enroll now immediately. The next batch in Bangalore will only be sometime next year. Speak to my team, talk to them, complete your enrollment process. The numbers are displayed on the screen. I look forward to meeting you live. Cheers.